Nearly 25 years. That's how long Keystone has been making travel trailers for folks like you to enjoy our beautiful country. Keystone has a great line of travel trailers, including the smooth-sided, aka laminated, Keystone Bullet. I like to call it the Bullet. We will take a peek at some of their most popular floor plans, but before that, let's take a good look into some fabulous Keystone Bullet features, because they are loaded. Now, inside a Keystone Bullet, you'll find amenities that will keep you and your RV-loving family totally camp comfortable. In the kitchen, you'll find drawers pulling all the way out, courtesy of full extension drawer guides. The cabinets, those things are pretty deep too. Now, the sink is deep as well. A single basin stainless steel sink with cover that also has a stainless steel high-rise faucet designed to make it easy for food prepping as well as cleaning up. For cooking, you'll get a Furion 3-burner gas range with flush mount glass cover and a microwave. Comfort is also key to any successful RV adventure, and the Bullet's living area has a ton of it. First up is headspace. No problem there because the Bullet's vaulted ceiling. Keeping cool is a breeze with a 13.5 BTU AC standard with a 15K BTU AC as an option. Plus, with the sliding windows, you can generate a super cross breeze. Adding more comfort on those crisp spring and fall mornings, you get in-floor ducted heat. Now, let's talk furniture. Bullets have a wide dinette with easily accessible storage doors under the seats. For total relaxation, quite a few models will come with either a trifold sofa or theater seats. That leads me into the entertainment. Bullets come with an LED TV with entertainment system that includes Bluetooth plus a set of exterior speakers. They're prepped for 4G LTE and Wi-Fi and the exclusive KeyTV multi-source signal controller. Now, as for the bedroom, you can relax in a full-size queen bed, and for your convenience, you'll find bedside outlets in 110 volt for that CPAP machine if you need one, and USB ports for your phone and other techie electronics. The Bullet bath has a full tub shower surround with built-in shelves, a stainless steel residential size faucet, a foot flush toilet with select Bullets having a porcelain toilet. Now, as for the Bullet exterior, you get the convenience of a power tongue jack for easier towing and electric stabilizer jacks to help you set up camp even that much quicker. A large power awning protects you from the elements so you can stay outside longer, and those exterior speakers, they'll help keep you entertained. Now, the pass-through storage has a whopping 51 square feet of space, plus a pegboard to hang your stuff. Some other exterior amenities include an easily accessible spare tire, conveniently placed battery disconnect, and backup camera prep. Now, when it comes to construction, a lot of times the key to travel trailers' durability is what you don't see. On the top, you'll find a fully walkable roof with a one-piece TPO membrane. Bullets have the Tough Lock thermoplastic duct joiners so that they won't rust. They got true fit slide construction to get a solid seal, plus a one-piece ABS enclosed underbelly with a 2-inch heated duct to protect your Bullet from the elements and critters, as well as help keep the temperature controlled on the inside. That's what's really important about that insulation. Also, you get Keystone's exclusive color-coded wiring to make it easier to fix any electrical issues. Now, Keystone has made sure that their Bullet line has a comprehensive set of floor plans to satisfy both the camping family and the camping couple. Most will run between 5,000 and 6,000 pounds and be around 30 feet in length. I'm going to highlight a few of their more popular floor plans here, starting with those that the families just love, the bunkhouses. The 250 BHS can sleep 8, has double over double bunks with added storage, a large U-shaped dinette in the slide out across from the entertainment center. Up front, the bedroom has a solid sliding door for privacy. Now, the 250 BHS also has an outdoor kitchen. The larger 290 BHS can sleep up to 9. There are double bunks in the back, a large living area slide out, and a roomy bedroom complete with a sliding door. There's an impressive outdoor kitchen, and the bathroom has direct access from the exterior. The 330 BHS is over 37 feet of bunkhouse fun. The private bunk room has its own half bath and direct access from the exterior. Opposing slide outs make room for a large kitchen island. A walk-through bathroom leads you into the large master bedroom. The 330 BHS can sleep up to 9 and also has that outdoor kitchen. For camping couples, we have the efficient Bullet 221 RBS. This rear bath model has a single slide with a U-shaped dinette that can be replaced with theater seats. Up front sits the residential queen bed, and in the back, you'll find the wall shared by the bathroom and a large wardrobe/pantry closet. The 258 RKS can sleep more than 2 if you have guests, but it's known more for its very impressive rear kitchen that has tons of countertop space as well as a desk. A large slide out opens up the interiors, and the master bedroom is buffered by a walk-through bathroom. The Bullet 291 RLS has recliners against the back wall, a large living area slide out, angled entertainment center, and a very large walk-through bathroom leading into the master bedroom. The bedroom has private access from the exterior as well, so you can slip out on those moonlit nights. The 291 RLS can sleep up to 5. So there you have it. As you can see, there's a lot to love about the Keystone Bullet line of laminated travel trailers. With plenty of features and a wealth of floor plans, there's surely a Keystone Bullet for you and your family to go out and enjoy the RV life. Go online to campingworld.com and find the Bullet that's right for you. And by the way, happy camping.